Good morning, University of Michigan. Welcome back. Well, my friends in TK, you did it. This is it. These are our last 2 weeks of school. So, like I promised, now we are just going to celebrate you and all of your hard work. You made your brain muscles so strong by never giving up and always showing up to school with a lovely, beautiful smile on your face. So, give yourself a big pat on the back and say, I did it! Woohoo! I'm so proud of all of you. You did it. And you did it so remarkably. Well, to start off our celebration, I'm going to read to you a book that I wanted to read to you the whole school year, but I never got a chance to. So, this book is called Round is a Tortilla, and it's a book of shapes. Miss Sawaya chose this book because there are Spanish words inside this book. And my friends, you know how much Miss Sawaya loves other languages, right? Miss Sawaya speaks French, and sometimes I'll speak French with you. Miss Sawaya's dad speaks Arabic, another wonderful language. My friends at school are learning the incredible language of Mandarin, making that brain so strong, right? And now today, Miss Sawaya is going to read to you a book that has Spanish words in it. Miss Sawaya thinks that the Spanish language is one of the most beautiful languages that exist. To me, Spanish sounds almost like a song when I hear my friends speak it. I'm always so impressed. And my friends, I know that some of you speak Spanish too at home. I think that is so remarkable and wonderful. And I would love if I could hear you speak Spanish at school too. I love it when you share that with me. Because you guys, that is such a very special gift to have, to know more than one language. So, Miss White does not speak Spanish, but she would like to learn. Therefore, I'm asking all of you, please be patient with Miss Sawaya when I try to pronounce some of these words. I did my research. I will try my best, but I know that my friends can speak it much better than me. And if we were in class, I would ask you to say the words for me so you can teach me, so I can learn from you. However, now we're doing school through the computer. So I use the computer to help me learn some Spanish words, and I Googled how to pronounce some words. Let's hope I got it right. But if not, you can always tell me. You can send me an email or message me on Seesaw and say, Miss Sawaya, this is how you pronounce this word. That way, I will learn, right? And we learn from our mistakes. It's the only way. Okay, so this book is called Round is a Tortilla, a book of shapes. And it was written by Roseanne Greenfield Thong and illustrated by John Para. Round is a Tortilla, a book of shapes. So the author of this book is Roseanne Greenfield Thong. Who is the author of this book? Very nice. And the illustrator, the person who made all the beautiful pictures, is John Para. Round are sombreros. Round is the moon. Round are the trumpets that flare out a tune. Are you making a trumpet noise? Here are the beautiful sombreros. Here is the gorgeous moon. It looks like a full moon. And here are the trumpets making wonderful music. Round are the campanas that chime and ring, ding dong, ding dong. Round are the nests where swallows sing. Tweet, 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 tweet. Can you make a beautiful campana sound? Bell sound for me? Oh, I love it! Wonderful, University of Michigan. Round are tortillas and tacos too. Round is a pot of abuela's stew. I can name more round things. Can you? Try to name all the round things you see. What did you find? I see the round window, see the round chandelier, round pots and pans. There are the delicious. Mmm. Raise your hand if you have eaten a taco before. Mmm. I have. I think they are so delicious. Square are the letters. We know them well. Yes, we do, University of Michigan. We learned all 26 letters this year. Whoop, 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 whoop. Hooray! Square is a board game to help us spell. I wonder, I wonder, hmm? I wonder what board game they are playing. Have any of you guys played this board game before? I've played a game similar to this. It's called Scrabble. That's the game I play. It's a really good game. It helps our brain learn how to spell words and not be scaredy cats and sound out our words. Square are the ventanas that give a view. Square is my clock and my photos too. Look at her guitar. What shape is that? Square. Remember when we learned geometry this year and we learned all about shapes? Hmm. How many angles does a square have? Good job. 4. How many sides? Great job. 4. Square is the park and the Zocalo. Square is the fountain from long ago. How many square things do you know? This is such wonderful math review. You tell me all the square things you see. I see a square like grass field. I see square tables. I see squares in the building. So many squares. Square cars, square sidewalk, lots of squares. Rectangles are carts with bells that chime, ding ding, and cold paletas in summertime. Oh, I would love to have a popsicle right now. And we're almost in the summertime, which is popsicle season. Maybe we can make some popsicles together. That would be fun. That's a good idea. Stone metates inside our casa help us grind our corn to masa. Rectangles are flags that fly above the scoreboard way up high. How many rectangles do you spy? Well, I see one, two, three, four, five flags. And what flag is this? The American flag. Great job, University of Michigan. We learned that in social studies this year. Triangles are crunchy chips for guacamole and other dips. Mmm, delicious. What's your favorite chip? That's a good one. Yeah, that's delicious. Triangles sail on the breeze. They line the shore and glide on seas. You see the triangles in the sail? How many sides does a triangle have? You can count. One, two, three. Let's count the angles. One angle, two, three. This is great math review. Sandias chilled in tubs of ice, quesadillas by the slice. Triangles can beat the heat. What other triangles can you eat? Sandias. Watermelon. There's the triangle slices of quesadilla. I love quesadilla. Well, you can have triangle chip, triangle pizza, right? Mmm. Oval is my favorite locket, a special pebble in my pocket. So beautiful. I find ovals at the store, huevos, olives, beans galore. Can you name a couple more? I can't think of any other ovals. Can you? Hmm. Miss Wyatt has one, but it's not for kids. Coffee beans. Coffee beans are ovals. That's for Miss Wyatt, 'cause I love coffee. Yeah. Stars for parties, stars for light, lining streets with colors bright. There are so many shapes wherever you go. How many more shapes do you know? That's the end. Ta-da! Well, there you have it, University of Michigan. The end of this wonderful story that I wish I read to you while we were in school. It was wonderful math review. We reviewed our circles. We reviewed our triangles and our squares. Remember how we made them with our hands? You are all phenomenal learners. Can you believe you knew about all of these shapes and their angles and their sides? Look at all you've learned in TK. I'm so proud of you. Well, University of Michigan, I'll see you soon for another learning celebration. Woo woo. Mwah. I miss you and I wish I could be celebrating in person with you. But I'm so proud of your bravery and for keeping people safe by staying home. You are magnificent. Goodbye, University of Michigan.